Living with the Incarnation Paramahamsa Nityananda. Learning directly from the Master. Everyday lessons from Swamiji. Communicating directly with Jagat Guru. Every step under the guidance of enlightened Master Nityananda. Integrating new enlightened thought trends. Leap into higher intelligence. Creating leaders of tomorrow with new consciousness. Making possibility as the new lifestyle. Restoring the Vedic mind. Making four tattvas the foundation of life. Functioning through liberated thinking. Reviving the Vedic Sanatana Hindu Dharma. Making the right choices in every step. Live life in Vedic style. Freedom from vested interest. Independence from fear and greed. Enlightenment is purpose of life. Living Advaita, the pure space of oneness. Life is surrounded with miracles. Enjoy living the ultimate reality. Responsibilism is the way of life. Living the lifestyle of the divine. Children bloom in complete completion. Thrive in the rich Vedic heritage. Live the great sacred dharmic truths. Inspiration to perform to their peak capacity. Building your body through nutritious sattvic food. Yogic body helps you hold the enlightened space. Continuous motivation and self-driven lifestyle. Learn to live life is for others. Perform every task with intensity leading to perfection. Understand the self. Go beyond the root patterns. Drop the depression easily. Prevail over addictions. No physical and mental perversions. No books and homework till 8th grade as brain observes much more. Compassion rules over bullying mentality. Positive peer pressure. Knowledge-based community that enhances the intelligence of the children. Train the sixth sense to tune themselves to the highest possibility of being a happy child. Always feeling powerful. Only gain, no pain lifestyle. No screaming teachers and parents, and working from space of Advaita. Examination only in the context of building confidence. Learn to be Ega Santagrahi, extreme listening skills. Non-limiting logic. Fun activities every day. Learning as celebration. Activation of quantum memory. Understand using multiple intelligence. Learning using visualization. Learning 108 talents practically usable for life. Learning the secret of relationship is beyond relationship. Learning the secret of stress-free living by understanding time is a lie. Understanding desire is something other than you, and greed is catching it, makes them beautiful being. Gurukulam is a place where you will find your true you. Learning the science of becoming God. Every child is taught to find his Swadharma, the natural flow of his life. Growing up with temple culture is a blessing. Aligning yourself to Hinduism. Learning Ashtama Siddhi. Learning to fly. Living with the right context in every decision. No attitude, only altitude of learning. No limitation, only limitless opportunity. Mystery School. Taught to retain the original space of Advaita. Authentic listening as basic listening. Workshop for incarnations. They are taught to work like play. Authentic golden childhood. Education rooted in the wisdom of Vedic tradition. Whole brain learning. Learning to become both scientist and saints. No adolescent problem. Learning the science of our body as hospital to heal every ailment. Learn to hold the right idea you carry about you. Mentoring adults. Graceful looking without cosmetics. Dressing up with grace. Perpetual completion. Inventions and discoveries. Knowledge and wisdom. Spontaneity and clarity in words and action. Strategy and decision to face the world. Intelligence and truth in living. Vaksiddhi as lifestyle. Learn to think, complete cognition. Working with infinite intelligence. Gurukul is where parents would be proud of their kids. Gurukul children expression is what Swamiji have come down to give the world. Gurukul children will find infinity and its usage in practical world. Gurukul children never use bad websites. Gurukul children can read even with eyes closed, make thorns fall from rose plants and make rain come when they do Rudra Homa. Gurukul children will learn to verbatim the Hinduism encyclopedia, and these kids would be perfection of Swamiji. Learn to read Akashic records. Children will do PhD in their purpose from the space of Advaita in top university. Children will realize the grace and power both sides in completion. Live in the space of Advaita, radiating the bliss to the world. Swamiji said he would come back again and study in Nityananda Gurukul, becoming part of most blissful people on planet, being part of the largest happening in the world, being part of best brains in the world, being part of most authentic friends, being part of new era of consciousness, being part of Nityananda Sangha.